So I've just fixed the toilet by replacing the flushing device inside there. So now it works, no leaks. This bit here was the hardest part. It kept dripping for quite a while. Because we didn't have a washer, I managed to use this tape, just like plumbing tape, and managed to screw it in really tight. So there's no leak now. I've tested it all. I kept flushing it. Originally when I first sorted it out, water came out under there. So I knew what happened then. I fixed that properly straight away. Give it a lot of tests. And now it seems to be working. But next time, rather than going for all that effort, I'm going to just get a plumber and pay 80 quid to get this done. But it's doable if you've got the confidence, if you know the kind of problems takes better and how to deal with it. But yeah, I would not do that myself again. But it was quite good, you know, it works. There's no leaks anymore. It all goes through the toilet. And that's it.